Hi, my name is Will Myers. I'm an instructor here at Roy Underhill's Woodwright School in Pittsboro, North Carolina, and we have just got done shooting a DVD building this workbench. It's a Moravian workbench, and it's copied off an 18th century design from Old Salem, North Carolina's collection. It's portable, sturdy. Most anyone can build it. It's also affordable with readily available materials. And the best thing about it, it breaks down and assembles very quickly. And if you want to watch the rest of this little video, see how fast I can do it.